So this is the short walk. The beach is over there, and we just walk along here, and just around that corner is the parking lot. But it does get very crowded very fast, and the police sit here on big wave days because there's no parking outside of the parking lot, and they sit here and wait to ticket people. And I'm lucky I have the motorcycle, so I can always find parking. But if you're in a car, you want to get here really early, or plan on waiting for a parking space, or plan on walking like a mile or two, because the nearest public parking is way over there. There's really none in the little side streets down here. And up there is where we all go to watch and film from. You get the best view up there. The waves are way out there. From down on the beach you can't see much. The waves in front of you get in the way. So there's Half Moon Bay, El Granada. Well, that's Half Moon Bay out there. Town of El Granada's over there, and Princeton. There's the jetty. We're up here on the bluff above, and the waves are out there. They look pretty big right now, but we're definitely waiting for something much bigger. We'll see what we can get. I got here kind of late, so I don't know. But when I heard there's big waves, I dropped everything and head out here. See if we can't see some of them. There's some guys going in. They got a long paddle out. They got to paddle way around the breakers to get out there. I hope this is focusing. Down here we can see a surfer going towards the water. Look at the size of that board. They don't mess around with little boards. These guys come from all over the world. A lot of them are famous pros, and they drop everything and fly out here when the waves come. And all kinds of people are up here taking pictures and filming. Some of them will be on the news later today. I try to give you a little perspective. Those rocks are a good 20 feet tall. Should be able to see some people down there. Very foggy out there. I hope this is focusing. There we can see the surfers. Just barely. There is a collection of boats and jet skis watching the waves. Lots of professional photographers on jet skis. Looks kind of like everyone shifted to the right a little. Well, we're just hoping one more big set will roll through for you guys. Let's see if this swell does anything.
How about yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Well, it's a good number, but it's
That is not a little wave. Not huge by Maverick standards, but
What's his name?
Sage Brook? I'll send you a text. I'll send you a text.
yeah, getting choppy, swells fading, and the sun is getting right in our eyes. Here's a little shot along the cliff for you. Let's see. It's a pretty big scene, really. And then over here we have our missile shield, which I could probably get in trouble just for showing you even that much of it, so that's all I'll show you. But that is a radar defense in case of incoming long-range missiles. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to call it. The sun is too much in our face, and the really big waves were earlier today. Oh well. Next time. And here's a quick look from down on the beach. Very hazy out there. Surfers coming in. Yeah, you never know when one of these guys is going to be somebody super famous. A lot of them come from all over the world. And over here, a really nice harbor. You can't see all the mountains. And I'm gonna take Highway 1 up that way, so I'm about 45 minutes from my house.